your Stingray looks a little too basic, and this hood will save your day. So this is the AutoAddict Type ZR1 hood, completely made of carbon fiber, which replaces your OEM hood with everything you need to directly replace it on your vehicle. So this whole thing, vent, top, corner, bottom to front, all carbon fiber, and it gives your car a crazy look. Makes it look like a ZR1. Obviously, without spending that $200,000, $300,000 wallet change, you have this hood. So it gives it the styling, provides that very kind of shadowy look when it's not in the sun, and when it's in the sun, that carbon fiber definitely does hit. The weave looks crazy on this, and the quality is top notch. So if you're looking for a carbon hood for your car, this AutoAddict Type ZR1 hood is your best friend, and that is the exact one you will need. Available right here at legendsautoparts.com. If you don't have one of these hoods, you better go grab one, because they do sell out insanely quick and they make your car look insanely good. Thanks for watching. Thank you for shopping Legends Auto Parts.